Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure your account is active and there are no carrier outages in your area. Once done, power cycle the phone to clear temporary errors. Next, remove the SIM, inspect for dirt or bends, then reseat it firmly. This fixes many contact issues. Make sure to toggle airplane mode on for about 10 seconds then off. This forces a radio reset. If you see signal bars return, you've likely resolved a simple registration or hardware contact problem. If the basics didn't work, move to network configuration. You should try selecting your carrier manually in mobile networks to force re-registration. This can help if auto-selection picks the wrong provider. Once done, verify the APN settings. These tell your phone how to access data. Wrong values block mobile internet. Enter the exact APN values from your carrier or choose the default profile. If you still struggle, reset network settings to clear corrupted entries. This restores radios, Wi-Fi, and APN back to known defaults. Finish by isolating hardware. Test your phone with a known good SIM and test your SIM in another unlocked phone. This tells you whether the issue is the SIM, the phone, or the account. Also make sure carrier settings and the phone OS are updated. Updates often fix signaling bugs. Once done, try a factory reset only as a last resort. If none of these steps work, contact carrier support. They can check provisioning, IMEI blocks, or swap your SIM quickly, which often resolves persistent connection failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.